Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Arielle, and today I am doing my review for the Shayla Colourpop collaboration. So let me just say, I've done this video. This is my third time trying to do this review. I didn't like the way either of the first two looks came out. And I felt like I was trying too hard, like with a backdrop and like trying to do something too creative with the eyeshadow palette. In Shayla's collection, she has 3 lipsticks, 2 highlighters, a lip gloss, and a 16 shadow eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to keep this very simple and I'm going to tell you what I think about it as I go. So I'm going to start off with Culture in my crease, and actually I should have started out with my underbrow highlight, so I'm going to go to that next. But I like this eyeshadow palette. I've had no problems with blending. All 3 times I've done this, I've had my full foundation and concealer and everything on. Oh yeah, I didn't say that. I do have foundation, concealer, and powder already on. To prime my lids, I used, it looked like it's trying to crease. I used LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan, and then I set it with Laura Mercier. When I used it the first 2 times, I used some colors too. Purple, I used the green, and I had no problems with fallout, which I thought was really good. These shades blend very well and they're extremely pigmented. There's no complaints, and I have nothing negative to say about the actual product itself as far as quality goes. Now I'm going to take Unbothered. I'm going to pop it under my brow bone. Unbothered is really pretty. I use this in all of my 3 videos, and I love it as an underbrow highlight. Then I'm just going to go back with my fluffy blending brush and blend. Just blending Culture with Unbothered. So now I'm going to pick up Thick. Yeah. So this is where I ran into like my little troubles. So this palette is 16 shades. And you get 4 mattes. Stallion, which is this right here, this one. And you can use shade as well in the crease. Knowing Shayla and how much she loves purple, I was just really surprised that she didn't put a purple, like a bold purple for a matte. I used September, and I think the first one, and I'm gonna swatch September for you. Very pretty. I love September, and I was just wishing, hoping, I guess, for a really bold purple, because I just know how much Shayla loves purple. But that's just a me thing, you know. Like I said, there's nothing about this palette quality wise that would make me say no way, I would never use it, it's trash. It's just like, knowing Shayla and how she is, her makeup is very clean and soft glam. She doesn't really do like dramatic. Like, I think that's like my issue. Like, I want to do dramatic and I want to have all these colors, and that's just what I like. And this is totally different. Do I hate it? No. Am I going to use it? Yes. But it's not a palette I could use myself for all one look, you know? I feel like I would have to mix something. Like, I'd have to go and pull a brown from somewhere. Of course, there's Played Out, which is pretty dark, and I'll swatch Played Out as well. I love Shayla, and I'm super excited for her, and I'm happy for her, and I know she's in love with this palette, and at the end of the day, that's really what matters. She loves it, you know. So I have that in the crease. I got it a little bit on the lid as well. So I have a flat brush. I'm between 2 colors right now. Spill the Tea and Strut and Slay. And I'll swatch them both. So Spill the Tea is a little bit more pinky, and Strut and Slay is a little more of a copper. Sort of like the Pose highlighter, which we'll get to. I'll just use them both. I'm going to start with Spill the Tea. And I'm not cutting no crease. I'm just applying it. Ooh, that's really pretty. That's very pretty. Strut and Slay, using the same brush right next to it. Thick again, and I'm just gonna add a little bit more, try to blend everything together. Basic, simple, easy. I'm gonna highlight my inner corner, and I'm gonna use I'm gonna try Diva. Diva's not really a highlight, but I just want to see how it looks. And I'm gonna put on top of it Unbothered again. I do like the palette. Blends easy, super creamy, very pigmented. At this point, I've used all of these. I've used except for this gray right here. I haven't used that. But yeah, I've used all of these colors, so I know how I feel about them. I like them. They're great quality. I just wish there was a purple because I think that's missing. She has 4 mattes. Again, you can use Stallion and Shade as crease colors, but I just wouldn't do it. And I wouldn't really use Played Out in my crease either, but that's personal preference. So we have Sassy here, Stallion, and in the pan, Sassy is this one right here, and Stallion is this one right here. Beautiful shades, very Shayla, and I love this blue, like how you can turn your arm and it looks like a totally different color. I don't know how, if you can see that, but I like that. It's cool. Now let's move on to these highlighters. I'm gonna put one on each side. So this side's gonna be Pose, this side's gonna be Boomin'. Pose is more of a copper, so it'll match my eyes a little bit more, and Boomin' is a gold, a pure gold. Boomin' and Pose. I'm gonna start with Pose. I like these highlighters because they're very fine. They aren't chalky. There's no glitter. It's just a really nice sheen. And this one really goes with my eyes, so I like it. Boomin' on the other side. Boomin', she named Boomin', right? Because whew, Boomin' is booming. Look at that. Boomin' is gorgeous. I love them both, but if I had to pick a favorite with the eyes, I think I actually like Copper more. I feel like Copper is like, it looks like my skin, but just like really like glowy. I like them both. So we have Booming and Pose. Today I love Pose more, but yesterday I love Boomin' more, but they're both absolutely gorgeous. And I love that they're loose powders, loose highlighting powder, so she did good with these. These are perfect. Now let's do lips. I'll start off with the gloss. I'll show you how that looks. It's just a really simple, you know, gloss. It has little, it has pink flecks in it. Very pretty. The gloss is very glossy. Not sticky, which was a big thing for me because I do not like sticky. So I'm gonna start with Come On Sis. Come On Sis is a, first of all, these lipsticks are amazing. I don't know if all the Colourpop's lipsticks are like this. I've never had a Colourpop lipstick, but these are super duper creamy and pretty. This is like a mauvey pink. Pretty. But we gotta move on. The next one is, ooh. This is like a peachy coral sorbet. I act like I never put lipstick on her. I really want to believe I am a coral lipstick type of girl. I need lip liner with this, obviously, but I think this color is really pretty. It's odd, but it's like really pretty. I like it. I'm gonna put some foundation because Quickie is gonna be the one I am keeping on for the day. Now I'm just going back into thick and sweeping it under my eye. I'm going to take this Milani Nude Lip Liner and line my lips. And right on top, I'm going to use Quickie. And then Neat Freak on top. Now really quick, I'm going to contour around my forehead. Or did you think I was just going to leave it like that? Okay, that is it for me for the Shayla collaboration with Colourpop review. I like the eyeshadow palette. I just really wish there was a deep purple for the crease. That would have just made me love the eyeshadow palette. The lip gloss is gorgeous. The lipsticks are pigmented and creamy. And of course the highlighters, Boomin', Pose. I love them both. Today I love Pose a little bit more, but let me know in the comment section if you're going to pick up anything from this collaboration. Subscribe to my channel, leave me a thumbs up, comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.
My girl, she got a gun in her hand, and she keeps wanting a man. Baby girl, I know what I did. You ain't gotta run the amount, so run the amount. Baby, I say run the amount. Let me know how you really feel, so run the amount.